This is another quick video about checking out the front PCB of the Bullet coffee roaster and seeing if there's any wire connector issues going on. We think that in transit we may have had some roasters that were tossed around pretty bad. We're actually considering on the box, it comes with plastic strapping around it to secure it better, and we're afraid that UPS is taking those plastic straps and chucking these boxes, which is obviously of great concern to you and to us. So first thing, we'll power this off. I already got out my little 10mm Allen. Why don't we take off the USB light. Having a metric set of Allen wrenches seems like it's going to be a good thing with the roaster. So here, there's a little tab here. This easily comes off, but we have our speaker wire here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the speaker wire connected, placing this on the top. I'm going to take out the button, the rubber button cover. It just lays in there, it's not attached. And then I'm going to remove the screws. There are two boards attached to each other, so it should be these black screws here. One, two, three, four. Not the silver screws which hold the other board in place. Since I happen to still have a batch of coffee down here, I'll be careful not to drop these in. Okay, I can see that move, and then this is going to allow me to look at the connectors. And I'm going to just wiggle that out gently using the USB from the bottom. There it goes. Let's see. Okay. So what we've seen is that some of these connectors, especially here, have worked their way loose in transit. And everything is looking good on this Bullet. Nothing obvious there. But this would be the same if there's somehow an error or an update that you need with the PCB. That would be the board located back there, the front PCB. If I just said rear, ignore me. And this way I didn't have to take that speaker wire off because I didn't have the right tool to grab it. You don't want to yank connectors out by the wires, obviously, but maybe not obviously. Okay, so now we're going to head around to the rear and look at the connectors there.